What is going on? It is TSB here, and welcome to Motocross Madness. Motocross Madness is a new Games for Gold game on Xbox, because they're giving out Games for Gold. So if you have gold membership, you can click on it and get the game free. Yeah, so this is my first time playing it, so I don't know what to expect. So let's get into it. Looks like you're being your avatar here, and it says new career. So if it's like a proper career thing, do it as a let's play proper. So it's. This is gamer picture. Let's see who I got. You know what? I'm gonna put that on. Okay, so I think it's by a motorcycle game or something. We don't need instructions because we're rebels. Okay, so it's like it must be like a wee motorcycle course. It's class. Come on, let's do a backflip. Oh, it's like a wee course. I think you're racing us. Oh, cool. That's class. What? I think that's just like a wee test run, and then you do like racing and stuff. It looks like it. Oh, that's sleeping. If you want to try this game out for yourself, I'll say I think you can get like a thing to show you where the game is, or like on the Xbox store, live store. I think you can get a link to it. Not sure if I can, I will, and if I don't, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you do like tricks. My boys just got knocked out. Let's try this again. Oh yeah, and this should be if I upload this correctly, it should be my first video on my new channel, because I'm decided to start over again from my old channel, which is TSB Studios, and just made a new channel to TSB Gaming. So hopefully it's like, well, here, okay, you do a backflip. No, you can't do a backflip. Crap. Yeah. What do you have to do? Complete a lap, drift for 200 feet. Okay, I did a drift. Oh, yeah! Rebel. I did a drift. Hold on. Oh, that's good. Yeah, hold baby or something. Drift. Oh, now I get it. Yeah. Oh, that's lethal. Oh no, his head's broken. Yeah. No, what I have to do before one track, okay. Oh no, wait till I get to the ramp. Wait. I keep going flying. All the avatars sitting in the background. Sure. Oopsie boy. Oh, yeah. He's just. I love the way he just jumps off his bike and just stands still. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, let's try this. Wow. There we go. Boost for 2 seconds. Awesome. That is 2 laps within time. Okay. There's no bar. This would be a walk in the park. Oh, near fell off my bike there. Oh, no, no. Come on. Don't have much time left. Oh, I think, is he that bar below me there? I think that has something to do with the boost. Yeah, come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. We can do this. We're actually doing something. Yeah. Come on. And we might be starting this series called Games for Gold. So like I play all the games for gold, and like all the new games come out every month. I get it and I'll tell you if it's like what event license achieved. Yeah, come on. Oh yeah, training wheels. That's how you do it, like a boss. Illegal boost mod. Your boost tank keeps on, yeah, whatever. Bike club. Oh, you can make your own bike club, can you? Welcome to the club. Yeah. Okay, back. Let's see all these stuff. Oh, you can get like rewards and stuff. Let's just continue the career. Yeah. I want to get into a race. Come on. Climb the wall. Oh, flare. Come on. Didn't know anybody had this one. Start. Go to my tricks. Longest wheelie. I did do a long. Oh, that must have been the trial run there. Yeah, that was the trial run I done first.
Welcome to Pharaoh's Tomb.
Gold gets $1,250. Silver gets $750. A bronze gets $500. A bar. Let's go. That's probably first, second, third. Yeah. Where am I? Go. No. Come on. See if we can win this one. Oh, wow. Yeah. Come on. What place am I in? Oh, totally messed up. On third place. Come on. Yes, come on. I can go first. Yeah. I want to see if we can overtake these boys. Yeah, I just need to overtake Rich or climb out, whatever you call him. Alright, show me them skills. Come on. Overtake him. No. That's been going in third place. No. No, overtake him. Overtake Nick Turnbull. Nick Turnbull. Very weird name. Over the ramp. And what was that? Show me them willies. No. Oh crap. Help. My boys can. I'm still third place. Where am I? Yeah. Oh crap, going the wrong way. Here we go. I'm in fourth place now. Where there's a mare. Michael Jackson's over. No. Come on, like. Yeah. Come on. Get the win then. I don't mind if I don't win, as long as I get at least 3rd place. Yeah. This is clutch. Come on. Oh, let's see if we can get in 2nd place here. Or 3rd place, yeah. Okay, come on. Oh. Oh, yes. Let's see if we can get this big row. Oh, no. But yeah. Come on, I'm in 3rd place. If I can overtake this boy, I can do 2nd. And hopefully get 1st. That's new trick. Oh, you can't do any tricks. That's it. Oh, final lap. Oh, if I just overtake this last boy, I could win. Oh, I'm so close. Oh, crap. I'm always having trouble finding where the track's meant to go. Like all race games. Always having trouble. Like, oh, crap. Like, where did that go? Oh, I'm back in 3rd place. Oh, I'm not gonna win this one. Well, you never know. Well, 2nd place. Oh, I could actually do. Your boy's just there. Oh, yeah. Come on, see if we can get a 1st win in the bag. Come on. I'm so close. If I just follow this. If I just go my fastest and just... hopefully he messes up somehow. Come on. It's getting very competitive. Now go this way. Yeah, okay. Where is he? Where is he? Where the hell is he? Oh. Ooh. There he is. There he is. I see him. Coming. Oh no. Come on. No, he won. He's winning. He's gonna win. If I can just get... Oh no. Oh no. He's good time. Oh, I can still get 2nd place. Yeah. Well, 2nd place is alright. Yeah. I'll take that. I dig that. Yeah. Oh.
Give it another go.
Oh yeah.
You're inches away from being the champ.
I've only played my 1st match and already got 3 achievements. Fine. Oh. Yeah. Coins collected, 106 XP over now, yeah, blah blah blah. XP, yeah. Oh, so this is kind of a career mode thing, so I'll do this as a series. It's only a new series, that's why. Yeah. There is, yeah. Oh, on the helmet. It looks like you can make a biker club, it's okay, but this is going to be the end of the 1st half here. But if you enjoyed this video and you want to play it for yourself, go to Games for Gold on Xbox. There's tons of tutorials. I think there's tons of tutorials on how to get to it and all that crap. And buy it, and it will be there will be a new game in Games for Gold next month. So you better go quick before it goes, and you have to pay for it then. But I really recommend playing this. I think it's a really good game.